Deja vu.
Alright. Hey guys, Sick Buddy here. Huge shout out to Lee Wolfie or Cheyenne for getting me this llama blanket. I think it's really good. It's gonna keep me warm when it gets cold down here with the little bit that I have of slack to kind of alright. But today what I want to do is I want to do a try not to laugh video. So generally I have plans for my videos as they come out, but one of my viewers, I was playing with him in a customs match, and he was like, hey, you should try a try not to laugh video. And I was like, Rick and Morty, you know, son of a bitch, I'm in. All right, so we're gonna be doing that today, but one second, guys. Looks like Sick Hybrid wants to retry the 1v1. Let me message him. I'm down. Let's go. All right, first things first. I'm gonna 1v1 Sick Hybrid again.
I don't want to peek anymore. No!
GG, bro.
The same thing happened!
Alright guys, so I had a couple of people on on Discord send me a couple of videos, so I'm gonna pull up the Sick Clan Discord right here. It looks like Sick Velo sent me about 5, so I'm gonna start off with this one. Wait. Let me, before I get into that, I'm gonna go grab some water, okay? Don't spit the water. Don't spit the water, let's do this.
I really just want to die.
It's not a great way to start off the video. Oh, this is gonna be interesting. Alright.
Buddy, you're trespassing on my property. You didn't win in my yard.
Wait.
All of you.
Daddy, chill.
What the hell is even that?
The sun comes up every single day.
Why though?
Because God wanted to. That's why.
And where does it go? When it goes away, where does it go?
Where does it go?
Yeah.
I know where it goes. It goes right there by the beach. What else?
Really?
Where'd you think it goes at?
Alright. So that's... That's 3 already. One of them got me. Alright.
Oh, I like to play basketball with my friends.
So, no offense to people, just I don't exactly find them too funny. It doesn't get me like this first one did. Like,
I really just want to die.
I don't know why that's so funny, guys. All right. Okay, so I think, yep, that's it. That's all that was sent to me. Let's go on to YouTube. All right. So I just looked up try not to laugh. You know what? Let's go with this one. This one says extremely difficult.
Yeah, it's rewind time.
I'm gonna prank my dad.
What do you got there?
Oh, snack.
That kid though. That kid though. Okay, all right, straight up. As a kid, that is like a bucket list item in and of itself right there, okay? So I used to wait there for hours, okay? Just for that, to hit the corner. It would never hit the corner, okay? It would hit like, almost hit the corner, and then hit the other one, and bounce away. That, I relate to this video, guys. It makes me feel a little old, but I relate to this video. Alright, let's keep it going.
From the Manatee County Fair, Linda Carson, ABC7. Would you not eat my pants? Ah!
Oh my god! Oh freaking way! I've never seen that before. Alright. Now that I have myself. Okay, let's keep it going.
What would you do if there was a child right in front of you? Hey kids!
Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need me.
You are unattractive in the face region. You are your father's offspring because he is ugly as well. Dab.
We had a lot of wind yesterday, but at least we didn't have a tornado. But it looks like there's a tornado out there right now. But don't worry, it's a good tornado. Are you ready, Larry? This is going to be delicious. This is a candy corn tornado. Yum, yum. Yeah, that was corny.
That's... Let me watch that again. I was about to literally say that was lame until he said this.
Yeah, that was corny.
The end of that. Yeah, that was corny. That got me. That got me. I was like, oh, this is lame. And then I saw that. I was like, oh. I have a habit of drinking the water, so I just leave it in my mouth. You know what? Yeah, no more water. Screw it. Let's just keep it going.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Can somebody explain what's happening there?
Dude, it does.
That's got to be the best part I've ever seen. So it would seem.
Travis, I was curious, speaking about pants here, how do you keep your pants up when you're performing? It's incredible. Built.
What? Oh, I've seen this one, guys. The pan breaks. That's ironic.
Magic.
What? Oh no. No. It's gonna hit the kid. That poor child. It was...
I've noticed in watching some of the tapes on self-defense that a lot of guys like to show defense from awkward positions, say sitting in a chair, you know, having your back turned, whatever. So what I'd like to do is demonstrate a technique which I call defense against a guy in a chair. Excuse me.
Martial arts.
Do I look?
What would you do if there was a child right in front of you?
Hello, sir. Good news.
I'm good.
The surgery
I'm good.
was a complete success, and everything went amazing. We successfully did surgery on a grape.
Kylie Jenner to the foyer. I have a little surprise for you. Is that a chicken?
Does that look like a chicken? All right. Okay. Maybe I don't know. Maybe it's named chicken. But there's no way in hell that looks like a mother. That does not look like a chicken. It's got a snout. Okay. What? That's so cute. That's so precious. What is that? What? I've seen a lot of things, alright, working outside all the time. I work in the natural gas and oil field. I've never seen anything like that. That's something so completely different from what I do, but I don't know what I would do if something like that happened, where it's just like, just spewing everywhere. That would hurt. Just imagine, like, that hitting you, that would hurt. Alright guys, you guys made it to the end of the video, and I really appreciate you guys watching this all the way through. I'm not sure how much of the video is going to be able to be like played sound wise, because I don't know what I'm gonna have to mute to make sure that I don't exactly get any copyright claims on the video. So if there's any parts that were muted, I'm sorry. But if you enjoyed the video, comment down below what you think your favorite part was. Make sure you smash that like button. If you're new, hit that sub button. And remember, I put out a video every Monday and Wednesday, and then I stream every Friday and Saturday. So yeah, I don't have an outro, guys. I don't know what to be like, and on to, yeah, I don't know. So